Okay, so as I've almost finished installing this bracket, I noticed that my lights have turned on, which means it's starting to get dark and the photo sensor has probably turned the circuit on. So I think what I should do is I should go and turn off the electrical panel, because I don't want to get shocked with these are bare wires, and all of those lights are controlled with the same photo sensor. So if that one turned on, then this one is probably live and there's probably a live circuit. So, and I also noticed the other homes, the lights have turned on. So I'm going to go to the panel and turn off the actual circuit so that I don't have electricity flowing through these lights. But basically this is what they look like, the outdoor lights. It's just starting to turn dark, but basically the one that I'm replacing is the one in the center. So I'll go and turn off the panels right now. So the panel is on the side of the home, and so basically that's the light. As you can see, the corner light, it's controlled by the photo sensor, and this is actually the photo sensor. So for example, if I were to cover this completely, it would appear as though it's dark and the lights would turn off, but I don't want to do that. Instead, I just want to use I want to turn off the actual circuit, and there's a separate this is on a separate circuit, I know that. So that's my main panel, as you can see, and basically I have all these different switches. That's for my sub panel, that's for the dryer, furnace, each furnace, the AC that's outside, and here are the photo cells. So basically, actually this is the photo cell. So if I simply turn this off, it should basically turn off those lights and it'll be safe to continue working again. So I just turn this off, photo cell, and let's go and check to make sure that those lights are actually off. And now this photo cell won't matter because the entire circuit should be turned off. And sure enough, the lights are turned off, and it's safe for me to continue working on installing that new electrical, installing the new basically the light fixture. So that's the new light fixture, and I've almost finished installing the inner bracket. Let me finish doing that, and then the next step would be adjusting this swivel bracket so that it is horizontal and straight, and then actually wiring the new light fixture in. So this is almost complete. Here we go. I might continue this job tomorrow morning, in which case, because the panel is off, this is not a live circuit, so it should be okay, it should be safe. Okay, they have installed the inner bracket. Now this is like a swivel, so this will swivel, and the idea behind this is it has to be straight and horizontal. So basically I have to adjust it so that it is straight, and to do that, yeah, that's what makes it straight. And basically to make sure this is actually horizontal and straight, because the light that I'm going to install, that has to be straight, I might use a level like the one with the bubble level, or the mercury level, but essentially this needs to be straight because this controls how the